In America, people enjoy a wide range of activities for leisure and entertainment depending on their interest, location, and the season. Here's a detailed breakdown of common activities. Number one, the outdoor activities. Hiking and camping. Many Americans love exploring nature by visiting natural parks, forests, and hiking trails. Beach trips. Coastal states like California, Florida, and Hawaii are popular for beach outing, water sports, and sunbathing. Sports activities like biking, jogging, skiing in water, and snowboarding are popular. Barbecues and picnics. Many enjoy backyard barbecues or picnic in parks with family and friends. Sports and fitness. Watching sports, football, NFL, basketball, NBA, baseball, MLB, and hockey, NHL are widely followed. College sports also have a huge fan base. Participating in sports, many engage in recreational sports like tennis, golf, or soccer, gym, and yoga. Fitness is a priority, so gym, workout, and yoga classes are common. Entertainment, movies, and TV shows. People often watches movies at home on streaming platforms like Netflix or go to theaters. Music and concerts, music festivals, live concerts, and karaoke nights are popular forms of entertainment. Video gaming, both online and offline, is a favorite pastime. Food and dining. Restaurants, dining out at a variety of restaurants from fast food to fine dining is common. Food festivals, local food and drink festivals are popular, offering unique culinary experiences. Cooking at home, many Americans enjoy trying new recipes and hosting dinner parties. Socializing, clubs and bar, nightlife including visiting clubs and bars, is a common way to unwind. Community events, events like Paradise, local ferries, and farmers market allow people to connect. House parties, casual gatherings, or themed parties are frequent among friends. Travel, road trip exploring the US through iconic routes like Route 62 is a favorite activity. Domestic tourism, visiting cities like New York, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, or historic landmarks such as Washington, D.C., and the Grand Canyon. International travel. Many enjoy exploring countries abroad during vacations, hobbies, and creativities. Art and crafts, painting, knitting, poetry, and dye projects are common hobbies. Capturing scientific views, wildlife, or urban life is a popular pastime. Learning, many Americans take up hobbies like learning musical instrument, gardening, or cooking. Festivals and holidays. Holiday celebrations, festivals like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and Independence Day involve parties, fireworks, and parades. Cultural event, attending cultural festivals or performance like theater shows, opera, or ballet. Shopping and leisure. Malls and outlets shopping for clothes, gadgets, and home decor is a popular leisure activity. Farmers market. People enjoy buying fresh organic produce from local farmers. Bookstores and coffee shops. Relaxing with a good book or chanting over coffee is common. Relaxation, spa and wellness, visiting spa for massages or relaxation therapies, streaming content, binge watching shows, movies, or documentaries at home. Reading, enjoy novels, self help books, or magazines. Volunteer work, charity, and community work. Some people volunteer for causes like animal shelter, food banks, or environmental cleanup. Seasonal activity, spring, gardening festival, and outdoor sports. Summer, beach trip, pool parties, and camping. Fall, pumpkin picking, Halloween event, and science drive to see fall